Awesome. So we have LifeFuels, the smart nutrition bottle that adapts to your day. This thing is super cool. The best way to understand what this does is for me to turn this box this way and to walk you through this. So basically, you have these fuel pods, these cartridges that you put into the bottom of this bottle, and then throughout your day, whenever you need, a certain like a boost or something, you just basically like hit the button and it will dispense and mix these fuels into your water, which is super cool. And there's an app that tracks your hydration, your nutrition, all of that cool stuff. So this is awesome. This is like, to me, this is like the future. I know a lot of people that don't like water. Again, I'm not one of those people. I love water, but a lot of people don't. And so this is a great way to help them stay hydrated and stay on top of it. So as that one brand always says, hydrate or die. So let's look at these little fuel pods really quickly. So it comes with 3 of them. There's a peach multivitamin, a lemon light electrolyte, and then a blackberry acai antioxidants. And so you can see all the different vitamins and minerals that are in here, which is great. And so it looks it looks pretty decent across the board. Looking at all of their different ingredients and things like that. I'm not seeing I'm seeing like stevia, which is great. I'm not seeing like nasty things like sugar and all those nasty things. So this is looking pretty good. So it looks like it is sweetened with stevia, which is great. So awesome, great work, guys, on making a delicious thing that's also nutritious. So each fuel pod creates as many as 30 beverages, which is super cool. So let's look at some of the features, and then we'll open this thing up. So hydration tracking, 30 beverages per fuel pod, 7-day battery life, BPA-free plastic, which is super cool. Again, you can see how all of these things work together to support with performance, and then of course reducing plastic waste by you having a reusable bottle, which I love. So let's open this up. This packaging is beautiful. This looks like it's super high end already, which I love. Ooh, I like that a lot. Let's open her up. Wow, yeah, this is look at this packaging. Yeah, find your fuel. This is beautiful, beautiful packaging. So great work, guys. Turn over for quick start. So let's look there. That's super cool. So you got your quick start guide there. Explains how everything works. Here we go. We have our cartridges. This is so cool. I love like a cartridge concept. It's just so awesome. So here we go. We got our water bottle, which is awesome. I assume we hit this button. No, maybe. How do we open you? I think we do that. And there's the charger. Isn't that awesome? And then here we go. There we go. We've got our cartridges in there. So we just slide those right in there. Of course, you take the lid off and the plastic off, and it'd slide on in. How cool is that? That is so cool. And then it's awesome. Then it's clear on the bottom, so you can see which cartridges you have in there. I assume that's how I assume you turn that on. And then this is cool too. You can I believe you can detach this. There you go. And so you can clean it. So that's another thing that always bothered me about bottles, is when you can't take the bottom off and you can't clean it. So frustrating. So this is super easy to put on and off. There's this nice little thing there to get your nice little strap going. But yeah, this is super cool. I cannot wait to try it with these. So if you've ever tried this before, I'd love to know which one is your favorite. And I can't wait to try this for myself.